Hello and welcome to a very important and very special edition of Think About It. Why is today any different than the others? Simple, because we're going to save your life. Now, before you fire off one of those beautifully handwritten thank you notes, or perhaps even share a comment on this page that doesn't include a personal insult or profanity, let me be upfront and tell you that I'm going to pass along all of the credit for these ideas where it belongs, to the august collection of intellectual excellence known as the Los Angeles City Council, because having finally tackled all of the problems facing the world's most bankrupt and troubled metropolis, they've turned their attention to a long overdue area, having just announced a $1,000 fine for throwing a football or a frisbee in a non-designated area on one of the LA beaches. $1,000 fine for playing catch. Los Angeles. My friends, if you've ever wondered whether or not there's a limit to the size and scope of the nanny state, of those who have to think for us, those who have to breathe for us and eat for us and drive for us and fuel for us and now recreate for us, this helps provide an answer to your question. There really isn't a limit unless we help impose it. If I were to receive a $1,000 fine for throwing a football to my son 5 feet outside of a roped-off area on a public beach, I'm going to tell you I'd have a very difficult time bringing myself to feel like I needed to pay that fine. In fact, I can't imagine it standing up in any court of law, but these days, with judges doing what they do and how they do it, one never really knows. And so my overall point is that all of these overreaches by the nanny state will continue until you and I say to the nannies, no, we're done. You're out. We're not doing this anymore. Go ahead, let's have a big football throwing frenzy. You can put us all in jail. If you can find room, you can kick out the rapists and the robbers and the murderers and put in the football throwers behind bars. But we're not going to put up with this garbage anymore. We know LA is a mess. You and I are too smart to live there. We're not going to move to that joke of a town. It's beautiful at times, but only from afar. Have you noticed that? How it's always beautiful when you're watching it on television, but not really when you're there. And now with yet another overreach of its ridiculously poorly thought out policies, LA is once again setting an example that is common in liberal government. Here's the philosophy. You are too stupid to decide these things and think through them on your own. And so we have to think through them for you. I say that's a bunch of garbage. And I say that along with saving your life today, I hope we've provoked you to a little bit of thought. Because there is incredible overreach, whether you're a Catholic hospital or an LA beach. There is an incredible overreach taking place in our government system that says, we'll think for you, you just keep paying in. I don't like it. I think it's time that we put a stop to it. Think about it.